Hello, here is one of our new Commodores. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Great cabinets. This is a 28 by 52. 20 cubic fridge, gas range. Lots of storage in the island. Dishwasher, stainless steel sink, upgraded faucet, microwave. Large living room with the gray accent wall. Foyer. There's a coat closet there too. Another accent wall. This is your master bedroom. Large bedroom, lots of wall space. We got a walk-in fiberglass shower, nice and easy to clean. Double sinks. Walk-in closet. Here's your second bathroom. Square sinks. 6 doors there. Cabinets, fiberglass tub. Bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. And your laundry room. It's got the full sink. 9-light rear door, cabinet over washer dryer,